Welcome to the AC Contractor Referral Network, your trusted source for air conditioning repair in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. Are you looking for reliable AC contractors? You've come to the right place. Our network connects you with top-notch professionals. Our AC Contractor Referral Network is here to cool things down for you when the heat becomes unbearable. Our hand-picked contractors are experts in keeping your home comfortable and energy efficient. With a wide range of services, from repairs to installations, we've covered all your cooling needs. We understand the urgency of AC issues, so we prioritize swift responses and quality artistry. Experience hassle-free AC repairs by connecting with our trusted contractors via the AC Contractor Referral Network. Our dedication to customer satisfaction has made us the preferred choice for AC repair in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. At AC Contractor Referral Network, we ensure peace of mind by connecting you with licensed and insured professionals. Say goodbye to sweltering summers and chilly winters with the expertise of our AC contractors. When you choose us, you're not just getting an AC repair, you're gaining a reliable partner in home comfort. Discover the difference our AC Contractor Referral Network can make today. Call 215-330-2267 or visit our website at https://accontractorreferralnetwork.business.site for more details. Your comfort is our business, and we take it seriously. Connect with us and experience the best air conditioning repair in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania.